If you're an educator, you know the job is so much more demanding than it's ever been. I mean, between all the lesson planning, the grading, and the endless parent emails, when do you actually get to, teach? Well, today we're going to explore how a new wave of AI tools is honestly changing the game. Let's take a look at how technology is becoming the new co-pilot in the classroom. So here's a pretty bold question to start with. Could AI actually be a solution for teacher burnout? I mean, just look at the daily juggle. You've got that mountain of grading, all the admin tasks, and just trying to make the calendar work. What if a smart assistant could take on a huge chunk of that, letting you focus on those incredible light bulb moments with your students? That's the big idea we're diving into today. All right, here's our roadmap. We're going to kick things off by talking about the Modern Teacher's Challenge. Then we'll introduce your new AI assistant. After that, we'll peek behind the scenes to see how it works, and then see in action in the classroom. We'll also navigate some of the important new questions this tech brings up, and finally, we'll look at what this all means for a human-centered future. So let's get right into our first section, the Modern Teacher's Challenge. Because we all know this job is so much more than a 9 to 5, right? It's like you have to be a planner, a data analyst, a communicator, and somehow find the energy to be an inspiration through it all. Does this list look a little too familiar? That administrative overload, the stack of grading that just never seems to get any smaller, the constant ping of parent emails, and oh yeah, that classic Sunday night feeling of scrambling to get the week's lessons plans ready. It's this cycle that just pulls your focus away from the students, and these are the exact pain points we're hoping AI can help with. Okay, so let's talk about the solution. Now, when you hear the term AI, I know it can sound a little intimidating, maybe a bit futuristic, but for what we're talking about today, let's just demystify it and think of it in a much, much simpler way. It's your new personal assistant. At its core, AI in education is really just technology that's designed to help with those super time-consuming tasks like planning and grading. And here is the key takeaway, the most important part. It's your co-pilot. It's not your replacement. It's there to handle the routine stuff so you can focus on the human side of teaching. It's not here to fly the plane for you. So how does this AI co-pilot actually work? Let's go behind the scenes and see where it can make a difference first, in all that planning and admin work that has to happen before students even walk into the room. Lesson planning, we all know this one. Just trying to craft an engaging, standards-aligned lesson plan from scratch, well, it can take hours. This is probably one of the first and most powerful areas where AI can really lend a hand. And the process is actually way simpler than you might think. You just give the AI a prompt, something like, hey, create a 45-minute lesson about the water cycle for my fourth graders. And then it just acts like a creative partner, instantly generating outlines, activities, even quiz questions for you to then tweak and make your own. And it goes way, way beyond just lesson plans. Just think about it for a second. Instantly generating a quiz from a textbook chapter, turning your rough notes into a polished slide deck, drafting that polite but firm parent's email, or building out a detailed rubric in seconds. These aren't just futuristic ideas. These are real tools that are saving teachers hours of work right now. Okay, so we've covered all the prep work. But what about when you're live in the classroom with your students? Let's explore how AI can supercharge that direct learning experience. You know, one of the biggest, and I mean biggest challenges in any classroom is meeting the needs of all your diverse learners. You might have students reading way above grade level, sitting right next to students who are really struggling. And trying to create materials for everyone, that is a monumental task. And this is where AI becomes a total game changer. Imagine taking one complex article and, just like you see here, instantly generating multiple versions of it. One for a 5th grade reading level, one for a 7th, maybe one for a 9th. All of a sudden, this core teaching goal, differentiated instruction, goes from being a time-consuming ideal to something you can actually do every single day. And it's not just about text. We're talking about adaptive platforms that can adjust the difficulty of questions in real time. There are AI tutors that offer endless math practice without any judgment. And there are tools that give instant feedback on a student's writing. Each one of these assistants empowers students to get the exact support they need right when they need it. Now, with any powerful new technology, we have to have a really clear-eyed view of it. It's not all seamless magic. We need to talk about the incredible promise, but also the potential pitfalls that we need to navigate really, really carefully. So, the promise, as you can see on the left, is absolutely huge. Truly personalized learning, a genuinely reduced workload for teachers, and enhanced accessibility for all students. But we also have to look at the other side. On the right, we've got to be thinking about critical things like data privacy,
watching out for algorithmic bias in the tools we use, and avoiding the risk of becoming over-reliant on them.
And all of this brings us to the most important point. The future of AI in education isn't really about the technology at all. It's not about replacing teachers. It's about recentering them and giving them back more time for what really, truly matters. I love this quote on the slide. It just says it all. The goal is to use technology to free up time for teachers to do things only teachers can do. This isn't about being efficient just for the sake of it. It's about using these incredible tools to get back to the deeply human work that no machine could ever replicate. So you can think of it as a new division of labor. Let the AI handle the repetitive stuff, drafting the quiz, scheduling the conferences, adapting the reading material. That frees up the human teacher for everything else, making that personal connection, sparking genuine curiosity, and mentoring a student who's just having a tough day. And that leaves us with a final question to think about. As these tools become more and more a part of our world, the conversation really shifts from if we will use them to how we will use them. So whether